Welcome to our AI book review series, where we explore the most insightful and thought-provoking books on artificial intelligence. In an era where AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, staying informed is essential for business leaders. Hosted by Johann Stein from AI for Business, we bring you regular reviews of the latest books on AI, helping you navigate key ideas, breakthroughs, and ethical debates shaping the future. Our goal is to highlight the best reads that provide practical insights for decision makers. See the link below and subscribe for more AI book reviews in the near future.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into an exciting and thought-provoking book that has major implications for the future of education. Brave New Words: How AI Will Revolutionize Education and Why That's a Good Thing, by Salman Khan. Salman Khan, the visionary behind Khan Academy, has spent years pioneering innovative ways to make education more accessible. In this book, he explores how artificial intelligence, particularly generative AI and GPT technology, is already transforming learning. But more importantly, he provides a roadmap for how teachers, parents, and students can navigate this new reality. Now, we've all heard the debates about AI in education. Will it replace teachers? Will students rely too much on it? Khan tackles these questions head-on. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, he argues that it can be a powerful tool to enhance education, giving every student a personal tutor, making learning more personalized, and even helping teachers streamline their workload. And this isn't just theory. Khan Academy itself is already experimenting with AI-powered tutors like Khanmigo, showing just how transformative this technology can be. Imagine a world where every student gets the kind of one-on-one guidance that was once reserved for the privileged few. That's the future Khan envisions, and he makes a compelling case for why we should embrace it. But Brave New Words isn't just about education. It's about the bigger picture. Khan delves into the ethical and social implications of AI in learning and work. He argues that AI can be a force for good, leveling the playing field and providing more opportunities for students worldwide. However, he also acknowledges the challenges: bias, misinformation, and the need for responsible AI development. The book has received high praise from some of the biggest names in technology, business, and education. Bill Gates calls it a timely masterclass, while Walter Isaacson compares AI tutors to Aristotle teaching Alexander the Great. These endorsements highlight just how relevant and important this book is for anyone interested in the future of learning. So, should you read Brave New Words? Absolutely. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, a student, or just someone curious about how AI is reshaping our world, this book offers valuable insights. It's an optimistic yet realistic look at how we can harness AI for good in education and beyond. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have you read Brave New Words? What are your thoughts on AI in education? Let's discuss below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you for tuning in to our AI book review series. We trust you found today's review insightful and thought-provoking. Staying updated on AI is essential for business leaders, and we're here to bring you the best books to help you navigate this rapidly evolving field. Be sure to sign up at the link below for future book reviews and stay informed on the latest trends in AI. Let us know in the comments which AI book you'd like us to review next.